of the Mac. Today's topic is buttons. You'll find this quite interesting. At the top of your screen there is a finger on the button, a little red button like you push. Click on that. Click on the screen somewhere. You'll just anywhere on the screen. It'll say button 1. It has a label, an instruction. You can make a button that will do certain things, and I guess the best way is to take a look at it. First thing I always tell the kids is to have a clear button to clear the screen, clear or CG. The logo command is CG, but it's doing it once. I want the button visible. You hit OK. Pops up on the screen wherever your turtle was. You can drag and drop it anywhere, move it around the screen. If you hit clear, well, it does exactly what you say. It CGs the screen. You can make another button. As a matter of fact, I don't know how many buttons you can have. I've seen all kinds of buttons. It says label, again, nothing. We'll make one called house like we did before. In the program, it's called house. Do it once forever. The first is just the label. You can call it whatever you want. The program is house. Move it maybe right next to clear. Hit house. It does house. Hit clear. It does clear. You can make button after button after button. I mean, I don't know how many you can have. We'll make another one called bounce. Let's say I run the program bounce. But it says, oh, got an error message. Needs more inputs. Oh yeah, bounce needs a couple numbers. Now, with Windows-based stuff, you have a right click. For logo and Mac, you have to use the I. If I want to edit, I come over to bounce. I click on the I, come over to bounce. Bounce needs 2 numbers. We'll go with 100 and 100. 2 numbers for the variables. If I hit bounce now, oh, wait a minute. House must not have used must have had a pen up at the end of the house. We'll stop. Oh wait, it's got to keep going. Now we'll clear it. I need the pen down, so I put on the I, come to bounce. Before I run it, put PD. Should be okay. You can make button after button. To edit it, you can still use the commands at the bottom, or you can use this. You can use this for games and stuff, where someone on the screen running some kind of program, if you hit the button, they know what clear means, they know what house means, they know what bounce means. Let's say I want to make another one. Come up. This should be interesting. Stop all. Stop all for the label. Stop all is the instruction, no space there. So if I hit bounce, but then I hit stop all, it stops off. I hit house, stop all. Any program stops everything. Let me go back to bounce, edit it. You probably noticed this. It says once, forever, visible. You can make it invisible. If you make it invisible, you can still see it with the eye. It'll tell you everything. I like the buttons visible, obviously. Kids like to try forever. If you hit bounce forever, it'll just keep going and keep going and keep going. And then it won't stop. It'll just keep going and going and going until maybe you stop all. Then clear it. You can move them around the screen, put them wherever you want, edit them, probably even if you do different colors like set background pink. The buttons are still there, and there you go.